And that's why he was flapping around. He wanted the bath.
Yeah, he's been out since about 2 to 9.
He really gets right into it though. And it's not as if it's a hot day either.
No. I think he usually has one at least once a week. I think the last time I reckon was when you were here last time. So it's been a while.
It's got quite a wingspan. It just cracks me up that he does that.
Puts his whole head in.
I mean, he's what, 4 times the size of that dish?
Yeah, he likes it.
Oh, he was aiming straight for my head. I got that on video. He is being so damn daring today. I'll be sticking this one up on Facebook. Make sure Cole sees it. Look, he's aiming. He knows.
He knows that you're watching, you're filming that,
Yeah.
So you got him flying at you.
And he was right above my head. He... Oh, he was aiming straight for my head. I got that on video.